I'll show you most easiest way to cut out an image in Photoshop. The first option is select your image layer and here just click on remove background. In just few seconds your image background will automatically cut out and you have a transparent subject just like this. And now let's see the second method to cut out an image. Select your image layer and go to select and select subject. Also, this will automatically select your image subject in just a few seconds. Then press Ctrl Z and you can disable background layer and here you have your cutout image. Now let's see the last method to cut out an image. All you have to need, go to Window and here enable Properties. Under Properties, scroll down and here expand these quick actions. And here, if you don't see the remove background option, then go to layers and make sure to unlock your layer. Then go back to properties and now here under quick action, just click on remove background. Also, this will automatically remove your image background and here, that's how you can actually cut out an image very easily.